Hello, thank you for your purchase. When you first open the project, you will find these numbered compositions. It's steps you have to take. So, as you see, there's this bag here, the shopping bag. The upper part is the logo. Lower part is the text or whatever. Third part here is this content on this box. And so let's start here. Number one, double click and replace this logo with your own. Switch this off, import your own. Okay, S to scale. Center it. If you want to keep this text, keep it or switch it off. If you keep it, you can double click to edit and move it where you want. Okay, so let's go to step number 4 and see. There it is. So if you need it smaller or bigger, don't try to do anything here. Go back here and do it here. Maybe you want it small. Let's go. That's it. Okay, so step number 2, where you can have this text. You can switch it off. There are these two shapes. You can switch them off and maybe add here your logo. That's all up to you. Just keep everything inside these guidelines. So if you have it there, let's see what happens. You see, you don't see it. You can see it only at the beginning there. Okay, so keep it in the safe area here inside these red lines, and maybe go here to the first one and switch everything off and keep the texts on and or edit them. Double click to edit. Okay, so now let's go see. We have this setup, and into the box go to third composition. You have this text. Maybe you can have a shape, enable it, or switch it off and keep nothing. Okay, I keep this one, and now go to step number 4. It's where we are. Select the first layer called controls, hit F3, and now you have this panel. You can change the color of this outline in this bag. So you see, make it the color you like, or even without color, gray. Okay, suppose I like this one. And here you can have the bag with some engrave. So let's have a bigger logo to see it. So you can engrave it, and how like having an inside shadow. It's how big and how the opacity of that. If you don't want it, keep it off. If you have text here, you can do it in the content too. It's here, so maybe you want it. That's too much. Okay, or if you don't want to have this embed, this bevel, switch it off. Just put it to 0. Okay, now you can render this composition. It's Ultra HD 4K, or you can render this one. Just double click, and now you have it in Full HD. You are ready to render it. Music is included, so composition adds to the render queue or to media encoder queue if you want H.264 output. Here we are. Select your codec, click it, select your bitrate. Here 16 is good. for YouTube. If you want it even smaller, click here, and maybe you want it for web resolution. Audio on, because we have the music on. That's it. Ready to render. Here you choose where you will save it. Render here. Thank you. If you have more questions not answered in this tutorial, do contact me through my profile page. Thanks again for purchasing the file. Bye.